I know, bro. When you buy a coin, it drops. And when you sell a coin, it rockets immediately. I know, bro. All the Bitcoin, all the coin world is based on your movements. Everything is based on your buys and sells. I know, all the time. The exact opposite thing happens.
Il bort.
You went all in.
Dump it.
If you buy a coin, it drops. If you sell a coin, it goes up. So I know it happens to everybody. And I was thinking about how can we overcome this problem? And I have come with a solution. Here is my secret weapon, bro. This thing here sells the coin when you press long and buys the coin when you press short. Alright, aside from the jokes, of course this program is not going to make you rich. That's a trolley program, I just made it for fun. And let me show you the program that I have made. Here is how the program works. First off, you take your API keys, paste it here, and take your API secret and paste it over here. And when you click connect, it does not connect. But when you click connect in here, then it connects to your Binance account. And it lists all the coins available on Binance in here. We have all the coins listed in here. And if I want, I can search a coin, for example, Trump USDT, or let's say Dogecoin, or Pepe coin, whatever you want. And when you click one of any of those coins, you select that pair. So all the things are going to happen on the selected coin pair. But I will go for Bitcoin for now, for demonstration. Here we have our Bitcoin graph over here. And we will be able to see our positions on this screen when a position is opened. So this is the Binance testnet. I don't have real money in here. This is not my real money. This is just for testing the software that I have made. And this slider changes the price according to the balance, total balance in my account. So full, if I go full, I go full. If I go half, I go half. It's the same thing with this thing. So let's go $1,000. If I click this, I'm going to buy coins. If the coins go high, I will make profit. If the coins go down, I will lose money. So when I click long, here we have our position. But there's a fact. As you can see here, we have minus $900 in here, which means we didn't go long. We didn't open the long position. We opened the short position. This program does the exact opposite thing that you are thinking. So if I go short for the same amount, I don't have any orders. The order is closed. If I go short again, it'll go long. As you can see here, I have $1,000 long position. If I increase the money and go long, I have minus $1,500. So that's all with the trolley program that I have made. Let's open another graph in here. Let's go for Trump coin, Trump USDT. So Trump coin is here, and I will search for Trump coin, and I select Trump coin, and I go long for it. Oops, I have 20x leverage Trump coin opened. Close the position, bro. What did I do? But luckily, I have a close positions button here. It closes all the positions. So yeah, that's all with the program that I have made recently. Of course, it's not a program that you have to use. It's just made for fun. I was trying to improve myself about using APIs and stuff. If you like the project, comment down below, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Because if you subscribe to my channel, I can understand that you want more content, and if you want me to deep dive into this code and explain everything step by step, also you can write down below in the comments. And if you want to see all the code, I have a GitHub repo about it, I have uploaded the code into the GitHub repo, so you can check it out in the GitHub. I have explained everything in there. You can see all the details of this project in my GitHub repo. That's all for this video. See you in the next projects, and bye bye.